All right, to begin making my radial print, I first have to come up with a design. So here we've got our radial patterns from around the world, and I'm just going to sort of look at them and decide what I like. And for this project, I'm going to be using a pen, or a marker I should say, and you guys will be using pencils just in case you make mistakes. So when I look at this, the ones that I like the most I think are inspired by India, and I like the geometric shapes of Iraq. So then right here on the first line, when it says which countries will I use for inspiration, I'm going to write those two countries down there, India and Iraq. Okay. And then in order to make my radial pattern here, I'm going to connect my one to my one here. So if you notice, we've got a square, and in the bottom corner of each, I've got a little star. That means that's going to be the center point. And in order to make sure that this is able to go all the way around in a circle, I need to connect these numbers to each other, the corresponding numbers. So 3 would be connected to 3, 2 would be connected to 2, and 1 would be connected to 1. And then I'm going to be using these patterns to sort of help me come up with ideas. So for my 1, I'm just going to do a curved line like this. And then it's almost a little bit flowery here. So I might have sort of a flowery design that goes from the 1 to the 1. And I could decorate it, make it as interesting as I'd like to. Okay, and then from 2 to 2, maybe this time I'm going to have a straight line that goes up, a straight line that goes over to the 2. And then I can add some more geometric shapes, sort of like the ones that I see here from Iraq. Okay. And then I would connect my 3 to my 3. So for that one, maybe I have these sort of cloud-like lines, and it's got to touch the 3 here and also here. And then on top of that, I can add some details. So maybe I have these sort of upside down raindrop shapes here and add some designs to it. Okay, now I'm also going to make another design in this one. And when I finish, I'm going to come up with a final design down here. This will be the one that I actually use for my printmaking. On my finished product, you can sort of see that I've combined some of the features from both to come up with a final design. This is the one that I'm going to use when I make my printing plate.